This is the Atlantic Marine Cruiser 730, a stunning vessel designed for the ultimate boating experience. With an overall length of 7.7 metres and a beam of 2.5 metres, this boat offers ample space and comfort for all of your on-the-water adventures. Powered by a new Mercury 350 horsepower engine with assisted steering, this boat delivers impressive performance and manoeuvrability. Step on board and you will see the style and comfort that this boat provides, as well as all the features that you'd love to have on a boat, such as a bow thruster and a Garmin chart plotter. And it's always handy to have little USBs outside as well, and the most important thing is somewhere to put your drink. These stylish drinks holders are perfect for that job. The hidden features on this boat as well are awesome. The built-in seats at the side that can be folded away when you don't need them are perfect. Access up to the front of the bow is so easy with the side steps, and the bow is a great place for lounging about on sunny days. Step inside this cabin and you will see the truly unique feature for a boat this size. It has a massive V-berth, a brand new domestic fridge, and what boat isn't complete without a fusion sound system? Also, for a boat of this size, the size of the head is absolutely fantastic. All you need for the perfect weekend family boat.